Hey everybody, this is Trent here at T.O.'s Garage working on the 53 shop truck, and I thought I'd just give an update on how the motor is coming along. As you can see, I've stripped down at least the top half of the motor. So just to bring you up to speed, I pulled the intake manifold and then started to work on the valve covers and heads. There's the valve covers there. And I kept track of all the rockers and push rods. I just marked intake and exhaust and the cylinder number they came from. But this will be a total rebuild, so not sure how much that will matter. Here are the heads. That there is the passenger side, and this was the driver's side. Everything looked really good. The spark plugs looked okay. The motor was running okay. It had 200,000 miles on it, but it was still running smooth, and I don't see any major score marks in the cylinders, at least not yet. Haven't inspected them too far, but everything looks to be in pretty good order. But we'll strip this down the rest of the way, down to a completely bare block. So I'll finish that half of the work next time, and then I'll get it ready to take over to the machine shop. So yeah, there's an update, and I'll have some pictures of the work in progress as well. I'll put together on this video. So there you have it. A little step closer to getting Rustylicious out on the road again.